Hello students, myself Chef Arnab and today I am going to demonstrate chicken and pineapple salad. Let's check the ingredients for it. Ingredients for chicken and pineapple salad. We have chicken breast diced and boiled in salted water. We have cored and diced pineapple, diced red and yellow bell pepper, some lettuce leaves, cherry tomatoes halved, mayonnaise, crushed pepper, salt, parmesan cheese and parsley finely chopped. For making chicken and pineapple salad, we require a mixing bowl. We add the diced chicken, the diced pineapples, the bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, salt according to taste, crushed pepper, some finely chopped parsley, and we'll use the mayonnaise as dressing. So we'll put mayonnaise as it covers, put the chicken and the pineapple. Now we'll mix all the ingredients together. We'll add some more of the chopped parsley. For the lettuce, you can add lettuce at this moment, or you can put the lettuce on the plate, and on that lettuce you can plate your salad as well. So it's up to you how you use the lettuce. So I'll put some lettuce into the salad, and I'll keep some for my plating. Once you add lettuce, you have to serve the salad right away, otherwise the lettuce will turn soggy. So for plating, we require a salad plate or a deep plate. So we'll place the lettuce into the plate. Plating depends upon chef to chef. So either you can plate the lettuce on the bottom of the salad, or you can put the lettuce on the side of the plate as well. It depends upon how you plate your ideas. Okay, now we'll put the salad. We'll garnish it with some fine chopped parsley on top. Also you can put few of the microgreens if you would like to add. So here is our chicken and pineapple salad ready for service. Hope you have liked the recipe. It's a very easy recipe. So thank you and stay tuned for the next recipe.